Southern Asia Pacific Division, Sabbath School and Personal Ministry Department presents these. Flag of appreciation to Chester Clark III, Evangelist and Development Director, Waukeeta Hills College. Flag of appreciation to Mountain View College. On April 12 to 18, 2009 at Mountain View College, Valencia City, Philippines. Given this 8th day of April, flag of appreciation to South Philippine Union Conference and recognition of its exemplary services as the Philippine Regional Field host that lead the successful conduct of the Sabbath School Personal Ministries Adventist Community Service Conference.
Friends, brothers and sisters, we are the host union. Is Pastor Serrano around? They have done a lot of preparation because of this very big event in the region. Is Pastor Serrano here? Please come, Pastor Serrano. Where is it? Yeah, Pastor Serrano is the president of South Philippines. Thank you very much for helping us in the preparation of this congress.
School and Personal Ministries Department presents this flag of appreciation to Dr. Lilia M. Paquibo, SSPM Department Secretary of the South Philippine Union Conference, in recognition of her most valued assistance in doing secretarial and all other services pertinent to the successful conduct of the Sabbath School Personal Ministries School Group Leaders and Adventist Community Service Congress held for the Southern Asia Pacific Division, April 12 to 18, 2009.
I would like to call the SSPM Department of the South Philippines, and I think she has done a very good preparation for this countries. A lot of sleepless nights because of the preparation, program preparation, everything. Delegate preparation, transportation, and all of this, because Mrs. Paquibo has done a big work for the department.
A big hand for Mrs. Paquibo. A job well done. Another flag of appreciation will be awarded to Pastor Efrain O. Paquibo, Sabbath School and Personal Ministries Director of the South Philippine Union Conference, in recognition of his most valued services for the overall preparation and coordination that led to the successful conduct of the Sabbath School Conference held at Mountain View College, Philippines.
Of all my counterparts and unions during this Congress, Pastor Paquibo has contributed the most of the number of hours in preparation for the Sabbath School Congress. Thank you very much, Pastor Paquibo.
Presents to Carmen D. Sarmiento, Sabbath School and Personal Ministries Department Secretary of the Southern Asia Pacific Division, in recognition of her most valued assistance in doing secretarial and all other services pertinent to the successful conduct of the Sabbath School Personal Ministries Community Service Conference.
Big works also in preparation of the Sabbath School Congress. Is Carmen around? Okay, anyway, give this to Carmen. Ladies and gentlemen, and all the workshop presenters of this Congress, I would like to request all of you to please stand if you are around. Workshop presenters. They are the departmental directors of our division, and some of them are our visitors from ASI. David Talos is here. Can you please stand? We have given them already the token of appreciation that we have prepared for them. Although we have not prepared for them already the plaque that we have just distributed. Now, thank you very much, my fellow workers in the department of Southeast Pacific Division. Because of your help, this Congress is just very much different from the other Congresses that we did many, many years back. Before I will sit down, I would like to say again, thank you very much, Mountain View College. Thank you very much, people of the Alumni Church who work with us, the students who work with us during this Congress, all the working committees that you can see in your program. I don't need to mention all of them, but the working committees this time are just, exceptional people. This is the kind of working committees that are very functional. So thank you very much, my fellow workers who are responsible of these different working committees. All mission, conference, administrators, departmental directors, and pastors. Even if my voice is not good anymore, but I think you can still understand if I say, without all of you, this Congress will not happen as what we have observed. And I think this is very successful. If that is true, I want to hear a round of applause from all of you. I would like also to appreciate our uniformed guards who are helping us. We are very sorry that some people cannot understand your rules sometimes. But I am so happy that you are very patient, in dealing with them. And you are working with us very sincerely. Our working guards in uniform, brothers and sisters, are not members of our church, but they are very sincere in helping us here during the Congress. All citizens from different unions. This is the Congress that we have a hard time, accommodating all of the seniors that we have. Thank you very much for coming. To all delegates and co-delegates, thank you for coming. If I will say, are we going to do this again or no more? No more. If you want this to be done again, I want to see your hands. Okay, you still want to do this again. The sound system also that we are using, they are not also members of our church, but they are serving us very faithfully. Thank you, all of you. Sound system staff. The home channel of the South Philippines and the division. We are happy for all of you guys. Thank you for helping us. And to all of you, my counterparts, the directors of the unions, without you guys, there will be no number of delegations that we have seen during this Congress. I think we had around 120,000 today. And this is just a terrible number, but we are happy. No serious problems that we are experiencing. And the Lord has been blessing this Congress. Just a terrible experience that we have here. But I know, according to Brother Janos from Indonesia, even he himself is being spiritualized during this Congress. Thank you very much. Well, above all, we would like to express our gratitude to God for this event that He has allowed us to do this for His glory. Blessings to all of you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everybody. God bless. God bless.